Have the cockpit hatch, and on the inside we've got the view screen for the optical system. Some clamps to hold it in place. It's unclamped at the moment. I'll tell you that in a second. With a little arm to hold the keyboard and trackpad to do all the hoo-ha for the optical system. The reason why it's disconnected and stuff is that the power brick for the monitor got broken. This got unsoldered right here. So I ordered a new one that should be arriving in a few days. But in the meantime, I can't show you how it looks. And because of the extra weight, I'm going to need to figure out some sort of resistance system to help hold the cockpit door open when embarking and disembarking. I'm figuring using some of these PVC, doing some witchery with them. Probably have it at an angle and get some extra tighten bolts on the ends. That way it gives enough tension to hopefully hold this up. I don't know. I'll probably also have to replace some of the struts inside the cockpit hatch because they are ridiculously skinny bits that I found in the back shed. I mean, I can see this vertical one is even thinner than the half-inch PVC I'm using as a structure, so probably upgrade that. But got some wires trailing out to the head, which I'm putting some foam mat trim on to make it a little more waterproof and look nice. And that's just about it. So until next time, bye-bye.